I'm Tim Ehlers, District Sales Manager and Product Trainer for the Crosby Group, and welcome to today's edition of our Ask the Expert podcast series. And today's question comes from a recent WebEx training call on lifting magnets that I did. And our question comes from an anonymous gentleman who asks, does the lever to activate the magnet have a safety mechanism to assure that the lever doesn't come back or mistakenly get moved to accidentally drop the load? And I think that's a great question because obviously if we're using a lifting magnet, it's going to have to stay attached to the load so that we don't drop it and have an accident. And I'd like to show you the design now of that handle so you can see how it works. This is the Crosby Magnex 300 lifting magnet, and it features this easy switch stop block design. Now I have the magnet sitting on a piece of steel, so it's easy for me then with one hand to turn it from off to on, and now it will lift. And I can be confident that the handle cannot become turned off again because the tip of this handle actually fits into this recessed area on that stop block. And those two bolts are actually recessed so they won't come into contact and get damaged in any way. And the way this handle slots in there is actually with a spring inside there attached to the handle. And then, as I said, the way that tip slots into that stop block. The only way you can turn this magnet off is by actually grabbing the handle and pulling it out, as you see there, to undo that spring, and then the handle is able to be turned off again one-handed. And now the magnet is off. That's how easy it is to operate. Thanks again for the question, and we'll see you next time on Ask the Expert.